Chart of the day for June 19, Thursday. So, ang chart of the day natin is gold. Currently, yung price sitting at this support level. So, ito yung trend line support. Kung papansinin nyo, medyo nag-overshoot tayo dito sa potential horizontal support level natin. So, ito yung breakout point. In terms of structure, bullish pa rin, higher high, and then ito possible pullback niya. So, nagkaroon tayo ng very aggressive decline recently and then nag-consolidate or nag-decelerate tayo. And currently, again, we're sitting at this trend line support. So, pwedeng mag-bounce yung price dyan if ever na magkakaroon tayo ng, let's say, malaking bullish na candlestick na may momentum possible na magkaroon tayo ng upside rotation and i-retest itong level na to. So, ito yung daily level na to. And if ever naman na magkakaroon tayo ng bearish close below this trendline support, ang next downside support natin would be 3,300. So, ito na yung level na titignan natin. Okay? So, yun lang. Good luck and trade safe.